Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to this channel and welcome to my video. So as you can see from the title, sometimes maybe you just need those dices but you don't have one around you. I have been there a lot of times in Turkey. We have this game called tavla, and sometimes since the dices of that game is very small, sometimes we lose them and stuff like that happens. So you know, we can use this game, or maybe there is an idea in our minds, or there are things we have to choose from. We have a lot of options but we don't know how to choose, so we can use these dices. We can create our custom dice, that's why it's making it different. So let's see what they're saying. Hello, I hope you will enjoy this ad-free dice roller app. Feel free to email me if you encounter any issue. Any suggestions are also welcome. Info at 7pixels.fr. So tips: slide up on dice to throw them individually, slide down on dice to remove them, slide left on dice to lock them, long press on the dice to edit them, and use the menu icon to manage your configurations. Pinch the screen to zoom in or zoom out. So also there are more tips available online, so let's close it for now. Okay, it's 62. It's fun like that. You have to hear. It's even very real, you know? So, as you can see, I locked it. Now, I have unlocked it. Now, like, that's very fun. Let me double tap. From here, let me try to do this. Cancel. Set up. Oh, we have a lot of oh my god. Cancel. So slide up on dice, throw them individually. Slide up. Okay. Slide down. Slide down on dice, remove them. Slide left. Slide left to lock them. Okay. And long press on the dice. To edit them, use the menu icon to manage your configurations. Okay. For example, I want to edit this one, right? Alright. We can choose the type. We can, maybe D6 classic. Glow. Marble. Looks nice. Metallic? No. Marble is the best. So, well, it's bad. This one is good. No, it should be white. Okay, and we have duplicated it. We can lock it if we want to, or we can remove the one that we, so, sorry. We have edited it. For example, what you can do, let's assume that there's like 3 options, right, that you have. Let me remove these ones. Get lost, please. Whatever. Let me lock that. Okay, let's assume that you have like 4 or 3 options. So you can say the first one is this one, the second one is that one, the third one is this one. So you can just use it like this has 3 sides, right? So you got to do the number 2 or number 1. And no, not 3 yet. So as you can see, I hope you understood what I meant. Let's edit this one. Don't go. I'm gonna make it marble. I'm gonna make it this color. Actually, this one. And this one. Yeah, I really like this. So that's pretty much it, guys. You can just be rolling your dice thanks to this game. Also configurations, you can change the background like this. Maybe something like this. This or that. Or you can add something. But you have to become premium to create your own dice. Actually. Display result. Best. Forced. So. You can even make it a game. For example, this just came to my mind. Like this is 3, right? Let me. You play one time. What I have is 34. My friends play it. What I have is 34. Let's. So it's equal almost. No. 35. They won. They can slap me in the face. You know, something like that. We play those kind of games. So you can display result. I think it should be just the best. So quality, good, beautiful, fantastic. It should be fantastic, to be honest. So this is the way it is, guys. So if you download this game, tell me what kind of game you would like to play with your friends. Why would you want to have these dices? And don't forget to like my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel at the same time, so we can see each other in my next videos. Okay, see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.